Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily add shapes into your Lucidcharts. So this is pretty basic one, and you can either go with shapes or flowcharts. I'm gonna go with shapes in this one, and as you can see in top left corner we have all the documents. And for example, we have multiple documents, process, manual input, terminator, and decision. First of all, we have to pick the one that we actually need. For example, I'm gonna go with a process, and it's very easy. You have to hold it with your left click and then move it where you want it. Once you move it, you can change the shape and the size. You can write down stuff into it in the text document. You can copy it, insert a text, you can insert a date, document, or document name, page number, and many more. And let's say I want to add a new one that I want to bring over it just by clicking with my left mouse button and then bring it anywhere you like it. If you don't like what you did, just press undo on the top left corner, and it will easily change it. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.